Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to automate sending emails in Outlook. In Outlook, locate and click on the apps icon to access various applications and services available within Outlook. Navigate to the All Apps section within Outlook to explore the full range of available applications and integrations. Select the Power Automate application from the list of available applications. Power Automate allows you to automate tasks and workflows. Choose your country and region settings as prompted, and then click on Get Started to begin using Power Automate. Click on the Create button from the left-hand dashboard to start creating a new workflow. Scroll through the available templates or start from scratch by selecting the option to create a new workflow without a template. Alternatively, you can choose to start creating your workflow from a blank canvas, allowing you to customize every aspect of the automation. Give your workflow a descriptive name to help you identify it later. Specify the dates and times for when you want the workflow to trigger or execute. Choose the frequency at which you want the workflow to repeat, such as daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your specific needs. Specify the days of the week on which you want the workflow to run, if applicable. Once you have confirmed the settings for your workflow, click on the Create button to create and save it. Verify that the recurrent settings have been applied correctly as per your preferences. Access additional options and settings for your workflow by clicking on the three horizontal dots icon. Explore advanced options and settings for further customization of your workflow. Make any necessary changes or adjustments to the settings of your workflow as needed. Check the interval or frequency of the workflow's execution to better suit your requirements. Integrate other applications and services by adding connectors and actions to your workflow for enhanced functionality. Expand the list of available connectors to explore a wide range of integration options. Browse through the available connectors to find the ones that best suit your needs and requirements. Choose the Office 365 Outlook connector to integrate Outlook-related actions into your workflow. Add an action related to Outlook, such as sending an email or creating a calendar event. Choose the action to send an email as part of your workflow. Sign in with your Outlook account credentials to establish a connection and enable the action to send emails. Select the Outlook account you want to use for sending emails. Review the permissions required for the action and click on Accept to authorize the integration. Specify the email address of the recipient for the email action. Provide a subject line for the email. Optionally, add a body or content to the email to provide more information to the recipient. Save the email action settings once you have configured them according to your preferences. Verify that your workflow is configured correctly and ready to be tested. Choose the option to manually trigger the workflow for testing purposes. Initiate the test of the workflow to ensure that it functions as expected. Start the flow to execute the workflow and observe its behavior. Confirm that the workflow has been successfully initiated and monitor its progress by accessing the Flow Runs page. Once the workflow has been created and tested, you have the option to edit it further or share it with others for collaboration. Access additional options and settings for managing your workflow by clicking on the three dots icon. Open the workflow to make any necessary adjustments or modifications, such as changing the dates or updating the settings. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.